Hi Doonieistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a requested video by one of the wonderful Doonieistas in my Facebook group, the Dooneyista Den, and she had requested a week or so ago for me to do a video on the bags that I will carry for this upcoming season, which is spring. So if you guys have been following my channel for a while or been a member of the Dooneyista Den, you know that I do not separate my bags or carry my bags by season. I will pull out a black bag in the heat of summer and I will pull out a chalk white bag in the middle of December. So this was actually a pretty fun request for me because it allowed me to go through my collection and to pick out bags that would be considered the norm for springtime. So if you are interested in seeing the bags that I consider to be the norm spring bags in my collection, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. For me, spring would not be spring without pulling out my beautiful Dooney Bourke Florentine leather Clayton in the color violet. Absolutely beautiful. I am so excited to have this bag and this color in my collection. I think that it screams spring. We'll throw this on with a long maxi dress in the spring and summertime. So the first bag again is my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather Clayton satchel in the color violet. Okay, Doonieistas, so this next bag may shock you because I consider myself to be pretty much a plain Jane type of person. I don't like much color. I don't like a lot of patterns or anything like that. So the next bag in my collection is the Dooney Bourke Esmeralda Dover Tote, and this is in the color navy. You guys, when I first saw this bag featured on QVC, I just wondered why someone would purchase this bag, first of all, because I didn't think it was very pretty at all. But a year or so ago, I'm going to say maybe early last year, in the Dooneyista Den, these bags were on sale through I Love Dooney, and tons of us purchased this bag. We had a whole big post about it. We all ran over to I Love Dooney and purchased it. We have a couple of threads in the den with this bag. We have Twinsy Tuesdays with this bag. Absolutely beautiful bag, you guys. This is one bag that is a definite keeper in my collection. It is perfect for springtime. The beautiful details that it has, absolutely beautiful. I am just so excited to have this one in my collection. Very nice bag. It's absolutely beautiful. So the second bag that I plan to carry, or that I consider as a spring bag, is my Dooney Bourke Esmeralda Tote, Dover Tote, and this is in the color navy. Okay, so the next bag that I consider a typical spring bag is my Dooney Bourke Pebbled Leather Chelsea in the color green, or Kelly green. Maybe it's Kelly green. But this is another bag that we all went crazy for last year around this time in the Dooneyista Den. I know a lot of us wanted the Florentine leather in the Kelly green, but as you guys know, that color is a very tough color to find. So a lot of Doonieistas actually settled for this beautiful bag. So anyway, guys, this is the Dooney Bourke Chelsea Shopper in the color green or Kelly green. Okay, guys, so this bag here, oh my gosh, I was so on the fence with this bag. I'm not a floral type of person, and this bag For some reason, it is florals, but it doesn't really scream flowers. So absolutely beautiful bag. She's a nice medium-sized bag. More on the smaller side for me because I am a big bag girl, but for the most part, it's a beautiful, beautiful pop of color. Absolutely beautiful. And I think that she would be perfect to pull out for spring. So again, this is the Dooney Bourke Flora Satchel, and this is in the color blue, and it also has some pink dragonflies. Okay, so the next spring bag on my list is the Bourke Montecito leather Brianna bag, and this is in the color butterscotch, and she has the royal blue trim. Oh my gosh, you guys, this blue is absolutely beautiful. So I haven't carried her much, but I am just so in love with her. And I think that she would be perfect for spring. Okay, so here we are with the chalk white bag that I will pull out in the dead of winter. And this is an oldie but goodie. I have had her for a few years. She doesn't come out much. This is the pebbled leather Willow satchel in the color white with the Sierra leather trim. Absolutely beautiful bag, very comfortable. So again, this is my Dooney Bourke pebbled leather Willow satchel in the color white. Okay guys, so let's pull out another Clayton. And if you guys again have been following my channel, you know that the Clayton is one of my absolute favorite styles in the Dooney Bourke line. And this is my Florentine leather Clayton satchel in the color sunflower. Now, if this doesn't say spring, I think it is a beautiful pop of color. Absolutely love it. So again, this is my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather Clayton satchel in the beautiful color of sunflower. Okay guys, so the next bag on my list is the Dooney Bourke Toledo leather satchel in the color purple. Perfect pop of color for spring. The camera is washing her out just a little bit, but she is absolutely beautiful. And I am so excited to be able to pull her out for the spring and to pair her with some maxi dresses and some cute little capri pants and things like that. So absolutely beautiful. And again, this is the Dooney Bourke Toledo leather satchel in the color purple. Okay guys, so last but not least is my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather medium satchel in the color salmon. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so excited to have this baby in my collection. She is smooth sailing, and she is also special to me because she is one of the very first pops of color in the Florentine leather that I owned in my collection. So this is one that I am extremely excited to carry this spring. I can pair her with so much. So I am so looking forward to pulling her out. So again, this is the Dooney Bourke Florentine leather medium satchel in the color salmon. So anyway guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. And as I always say, once you go Dooney, you go loony. So go out and get yourself a Dooney Bourke spring collection, because you definitely can't have mine. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.